5 advanced English words to sound smarter instantly. Obfuscate, meaning to deliberately make something unclear or confusing. Example: the lawyer tried to obfuscate the facts to protect his client. Magnanimous, meaning very generous or forgiving, especially toward a rival. Example: she was magnanimous in victory and praised her opponent. Ubiquitous, meaning present or found everywhere. Example: smartphones are ubiquitous in modern society. Recalcitrant, meaning stubbornly resistant to authority or control. Example: the recalcitrant student refused to follow the rules. Perspicacious, meaning having a sharp understanding or keen insight. Example: his perspicacious analysis revealed the real problem.